this car? What is this one?
This is a car, and it has these 7 full wheels, and we're showing in the steering wheel and the middle line takes all the tape off, and
You took all the tape off it for me today?
yep, and
Do you know what kind of car this is?
this is a fancy car, and
It's a 1990
1990
Mazda
Miata.
Miata.
And let me show it inside. Come on, let's go. And this is the hood, and this is inside of it. And this is all the tape I picked off. And I take all ones off, and got this one off, and get it on, and just to see where pop-up says and drive, and gotta take that tape off. This is tape.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I need to take this off.
Yeah, I'll take that off. I'll take it off. I'll take it off.
And we got this piece of horse, and this put the hot lights up, and let me show you guys. Let me show you. This is that cooks one. That one keeps it down. And this is a tool Papa used for that car, and that's the big, and the tape right there, and this is the black car, and this is one. And I just talked to you about that boom boom, and you talk about this one radar, and put that one.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for showing me this car, and we're gonna shut the camera off now for a while and tell everybody, say see you later.